Well, the world wars are past, but the arms races are reaching new dimensions. The world's powerful countries are beefing up their arsenal to accommodate the perfect hypersonic weapon. So far, Russia and China are in the lead, while the United States is in third place. Some couple of months back, before the invasion of Ukraine, Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla Inc. and SpaceX, tweeted, "I am dying to do a supersonic electric VOTL jet, but adding more work will make my brain explode." Crazy as it may sound, the opportunity presented itself 4 months later when the Russian armed forces invaded the Ukraine borders. We can't say we're surprised when the US Armed Forces collaborated with Elon Musk's insane idea of building a hypersonic jet to be used against their archenemy, Russia. The question is, are the Russian troops in trouble with Musk's hypersonic jets? Can this terrific jet help win the ongoing war? Let's find out. Before we dive into today's video, please do well to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channels for amazing content such as this. Let's quickly define what a hypersonic jet is. A hypersonic jet is an aircraft built and designed to travel below the altitude of the atmosphere at a mind-blowing speed of 90 kilometers in a matter of seconds. When an aircraft moves within the airspace, the molecules in the air are usually circulated near. Hence, the movement of the aircraft is totally dependent on the speed capacity. The hypersonic jet operates by compressing air into its engine through the forward velocity and aerodynamic compress. The speed jet can fly at a speed of at least Mach 5, estimated to be about 3,000 miles per hour. What do the United States Armed Forces stand to gain from the hypersonic jet? Over the years, a relationship has been built between the United States government and Elon Musk company, Tesla Inc. and SpaceX. By this standard, they are currently working on a secret hypersonic aircraft program tagged Mayhem. This is a top secret program with limited access to information regarding it. However, from what we gathered so far, the Mayhem is an outcome of a research effort known as Enabling Technologies for High-Speed Operable Systems, ETHOS. Mayhem will create an opportunity for payloads to be incorporated into the hypersonic system and to deliver an enormous air-breathing hypersonic system aimed at launching multiple missions, transporting payloads 5 times the mass and double the range of current technological capability systems. The Mayhem hypersonic jet sports 3 major payloads, which are area effects payloads, responsive intelligence and surveillance payload, and large unitary payload. This secret mission is expected to cost about $371 million. It has, however, been reported that the US military force is quite interested in the area affecting payload. What is the reason for this, you might wonder? The fighter jet comes with a standardized payload interface, which will create a chance for integration of the payload within the same hypersonic system. We must also note that hypersonic weapons are proven to fly at least 5 times the speed of sound, and the area payload of the hypersonic jet comprises hypersonic cruise missiles powered by a very powerful speed engine. The hypersonic glide vehicle, usually released from a rocket, swiftly moves into a said target. In a report shared by the Office of the Pentagon, it has been revealed that the U.S. Air Force has commissioned Lockheed Martin Corporation the contract of equipping the fighter jet with a laser system. In the opinion of Brad Leland, former program manager at Lockheed Martin, hypersonic aircraft, when joined with hypersonic missiles, could penetrate denied airspace and strike any location across the continent in less than an hour. With the latest innovation in weapon development, speed is essential in defeating threats in the next decade. The U.S. Armed Forces has given Lockheed Martin the contract of mounting laser weapons on the fighter jets, making use of lithium-ion batteries to extend the energy storage of the laser system. With the secrecy of the Mayhem project, a lot of speculations are surely rising on what it aims to do and truly holds. Popular opinions hold that the US Air Force is thinking of developing cluster ammunition like drones and advanced highly explosive warheads, which would inevitably provide an area effect with a large unitary design. Broadly speaking, the large unitary design could refer to larger warheads with multiple effects against a single target. Despite these speculations, the Air Force has acknowledged that the Mayhem hypersonic jet is a product of extensive research work and is designed with modernized technology and a multi-cycle jet engine. Prior to being called a Hypersonic Multi-Mission ISR and Airstrike, the Mayhem project was referred to as an expendable hypersonic multi-mission air-breathing demonstrator. The name change should be no cause for alarm. After all, advancement in technology calls for more suitable names. Another notable improvement about the hypersonic jets is this. Hypersonic jets would be coupled with hypersonic missiles. This advancement has been accredited to penetrate through space and strike any country across various continents in a duration of less than an hour. According to Michael White, the Principal Director for Hypersonic in the Pentagon Office of Defense Research and Engineering, he submitted that Project Mayhem will investigate the next step of what opposition space would allow in terms of the hypersonic cruise missile system. Hopefully, as time goes on, information about Project Mayhem will be revealed to the general public. Leave a comment and let us know what you think about the hypersonic fighter jet.